Hey everyone, this is Kyle with Lashbrook Mechanical. We just completed a 10-ton Bryant rooftop unit using R54B refrigerant for this commercial space. It's a factory down in Saline. If you have a business or know of anybody with a business that could use an upgrade to their commercial HVAC system, give me a call, 248-310-6814. We're running a promotion until the end of October for 10% off any equipment installations. The R54B equipment is more expensive than the prior R410 equipment, but it's not horrible. We can definitely work out a maintenance agreement or something for you that's included in the package, so it's a little bit worthwhile, a better investment for you long term. So again, give me a call, 248-310-6814.